So welcome everyone. Today I went to the JB Hi-Fi to get one of Google's devices, which I've been meaning to get it for the longest time, but I never got around doing it. So today I got myself the Google's Nest Hub Max. So as you can see here, it's the Google's Nest Hub Max. The price tag on this one is 349 Australian dollars. I got it for a discounted rate because I saw Officeworks, one of the stores, had the charcoal edition for 298 Australian dollars. So I asked JB Hi-Fi to price match it for me, and they did. It's a big box, and you can see here, it basically does what a Google device would do. So it works with your hot words. It also has a display, as you can see here. You can do video calls from the device directly to your friends and families. You can watch YouTube videos on it. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what's inside. It is a very big box. Let's see. I need to make some space on my table. So I'm gonna lift it off on my desk. Okay, so that's the box. I'm gonna toss that in the bed. So this is what's inside. As you can see, it looks like a tablet, but there is a speaker base and it has a camera as well, which is used to make the video calls. Obviously this screen, I think it's like 10-inch or something, and you can watch YouTube videos. It has support for Stan. So you could watch some of your content if you have Stan subscription as well. Obviously, it's going to tell you the time. It's going to tell you the weather. If you use the hot word and then ask it some question, it's going to display it on the screen as well. So yeah, you can have it on your bedside and say you want to wind down, or you have a habit of watching something before you fall asleep. You can have this on your bedside. You can play something on YouTube and fall asleep while watching YouTube if you like it. Or if you want to cook something and you want to watch videos while you cook so that, it's not just cooking that you're doing, then you can set it up in your kitchen as well and watch content while cooking or doing any other activities. For example, you could use it in your living room, you can use it on your bedside, you can use it while you're doing dishes, making food, all that good stuff. So let's see what else is in the box. I'm assuming this is going to be heavy. Well, it's not as heavy. So as you can see, this speaker right here, it's a charcoal color. So this whole thing is a speaker. Attached to it is a tablet, this one. The base right here also has a Google logo. There is a connection here, and there is a mic switch here as well. So if you don't want this to listen to the hot word, you can turn this off. Now let's take the plastic out, which is on this side. Okay, let's go back to the box and see what's in it. Put your finger in here and then try to pick it out. There is Let's Get Started guide. You can read this if you want to, or you can skip it. Okay, there's a cable here. So this cable right here, this one, goes into the back of the Google device here. We can keep that to the side. Let's see if we can power this on. So I've kind of made a room on my bedside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in now. I've connected the wires and everything. So all it needs now is plugging it in. Okay, that's plugged in now. Let's hope it powers. Yes, it did. Let's walk through the setup together.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So I already have the app on my Pixel 7. So what I'll do is I'll try to open that. It's right here. Okay. See something here? Set up Nest Hub Max. Next. So it's looking for devices. It needs to be activated before it's set up. Okay, then let's go to the browser and type up g.co/nest/setup. Okay. It's not working for some reason. Because look there, it says get the app, download and open the Google Home app on your phone to begin setup. And I have that app. but it doesn't seem to be working. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try it from my iPhone. Trying to set that up from the Google phone didn't work, so I'm gonna do it on the iPhone now. So let's do the Home app. Okay, set up next. It's looking for devices. Let's see if iPhone is able to set it up, because Google phone didn't. And oddly enough, this is a Google device. Haha, iPhone is able to connect it. Look there, the code is there. Seems to be working. Yes. Do you want to help improve everyone's experience by sharing device stats? No thanks. This is in the bedroom. Next. Okay, password entered. Connect. Hopefully it connects. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. It's really funny that the Pixel 7 was not able to connect it, but the iPhone is able to connect it. And it's updating. Yep, so set up Google Assistant. Yes. The update is happening pretty fast. About your displays, camera sensing includes features like face match and quick gestures to give you personalized content and more ways to interact with your Google Assistant, video calls and messages, make video calls or send and receive messages with other Google Duo users, built-in Nest Cam features. If you choose to set up your Nest Cam, you can get home monitoring features like access to live video, person alerts, and more. So the device is restarting. Use camera sensing features. Camera sensing features allows your Nest Hub Max's camera to recognize things like faces, gestures to personalize your content and help interact. After setup, camera sensing features do not upload video or images from your Nest Hub Max to Google. You can disable this features anytime. Maybe I should let it restart first before I commence on this one, because it might need to use the camera or something. So I'll wait, because it's almost done. It's 60%, so it might not take that long. Okay, that seems to have started now. Yeah, let's do yes. Okay, I think it's doing something. You've already set up recognition and personalization for this device. Voice match is on. Personal results are on. Continue. The display saying almost done. Finish setup in Home app, then get to know your device. Okay. Set up face match on devices. Okay. Yeah, this is something I haven't tried, so I'm gonna definitely try this. So let's do I agree. Google Home would like to access the camera. Okay. Start by holding your phone to your face at eye level. Okay. Okay, start. You look great. Okay. Setting up face match. This should take less than a minute. Get personalized results. Okay. Turn on. Your assistant is ready. Let's do next. And on the device it says almost done. Still the same thing. I can click on the finish setup because that is a touch screen. Okay, what do you want to set up next? Customize your photo frame. Call family and friends. I don't want the customized photos thing. Yeah, I don't want that. Listen to music and radio. Yes. Watch movies and shows. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Next, play your favorite music. Connect your music and radio services. Then just say the hot word and then play music. Yeah, YouTube Music. I can link my Apple Music because I do have that subscription, but maybe let's not do that. Let's see next. What's your favorite movies and shows? Okay, next. Netflix is linked, Disney's linked. That should be more than enough. Next, connect your calling and messaging services. Then just say the hot word and then call mom, okay? Get started with video calling. Use your existing Google Duo account for video calls and video messages on your display with anyone who has Duo. Okay, you can remove your Duo account from your display or delete your Duo account anytime in Assistant settings, okay? Add the services you'd like to use on your Nest displays and speakers. Check with your provider to see if emergency calls are available. Next, I don't want to link that up. Add household contacts. Yeah, let's not. Almost done. Here's a review of what you've set up. Yes, that's fine. Learn about the controls on your Nest Hub Max. Okay, next. Mic plus camera switch. Slide the switch on the back to physically turn off the microphones and the camera. The light on the front will turn orange. Learn more. Okay, so the mic that I showed you in the back of the device. Let me show you again. The mic that is here, that one, if you flick the switch, it's basically gonna, what it's gonna do is, it's gonna disable the mic and the camera, as it says here. And let's do next. Adjust the volume with the voice or the volume buttons at the back. So let's see. Okay, it's here, if you can see. You see that? Right here? Volume button. Is there anything here? No. So, this right here, volume button. Let's do next. Master bedroom display is ready. I can name it something else if I want to later. Let's do continue. Okay, it's all done here. So what I can do here now is, this is a touch screen as I mentioned before. Finish setup. And now, it's almost done.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
So take a tour, learn how to access your assistant settings, smart home controls, and more. So you can take a tour or you can skip it. Let's do get started
First,
to see.
I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up from the bottom.
Cool, let's swipe up from the bottom.
Here you'll see your most recent and commonly used apps. And to see all of your apps, you tap here on See All. This is where you can control some settings, like screen brightness, volume, and a few other things. To hide your apps and settings, swipe down. Now let's look at some things that you can see on your home screen. To check out your day, swipe left from the right side of the screen.
Yep, let's do that.
Try swiping left from the right side of the screen.
Okay, it shows the time. And then let's do this. It's curated art. And that's it. I have nothing. And if I go here, if I go to the settings, network is fine. Display, auto, photo frame. Okay.
The camera is off. The camera
Okay, you can turn the camera on and off from here. Okay, that makes sense. So you don't necessarily have to turn it off from the back. What's this? Do not disturb. Okay, that's fine. And this is, I'm assuming, you have no alarm set. Okay. Let's do this. What's this?
Oh, sure. What needs to be improved?
Okay, so that's for feedback. And then this settings. It's literally, you can do feedback from here as well. How do you change the voice? Because this sounded very different before. Brightness. Okay, it's a 10. Okay, that's how you do this. Let's see. Let's ask it a couple of questions. Hey Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in Haymarket, it's 20 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be rainy, with a forecasted high of 21 and a low of 18.
Hey Google, what's the humidity like?
The current humidity in Haymarket is 81%.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why does a duck have tail feathers? To cover its butt quack.
Okay. Hey Google, play Love the Way You Lie by Eminem on YouTube.
Okay.
It's not playing the video though. It did this, but how do you play YouTube video? Because I did see that you could. How do you go home? Okay, you can swipe it like that, and then yes, that makes sense. Hey Google, play YouTube video.
Alright, here's Love the Way You Lie on YouTube.
So it does do that, and it's connected to my YouTube Premium. Okay, so how do I go about searching YouTube videos here? That's the question. For example, if I ask it to play something on Netflix, would it? So let's do this. Hey Google, play Friends on Netflix.
Alright, playing Friends on Netflix.
So it has the app, But I haven't signed in. Oh wait, it did sign in automatically.
Sure, playing Friends on Netflix.
When I think about not
Yep.
seeing you every day, it makes me not.
Okay, it worked. So yeah, there you have it. This is the video for the, you know, like unboxing and setting up of the Nest Hub Max. This is amazing for bedside, obviously, because I sleep on this side. What I can do is I can twist it so when I'm sleeping on this side, I can watch it and fall asleep if you want to set it up like that as well. So this is going to be very, very interesting. So there you have it. That's been it. Until next time, peace.